YouTube friends and family, welcome back to Nene's Eats. I'm your girl Nene, and today, you guys, I felt like eating a loaded bacon cheeseburger. So, I am going to show you guys real quick up close my burger. So I have a brioche bun, I have some romaine lettuce, I got some hot mama pickles going on in there, and I also have jalapenos somewhere in there. They're in there. I got some Angus beef, I got some Velveeta cheese, I got some crispy, oh yummy, yummy bacon. I got a half of a hash brown, the other half is here, and I have an onion ring. I had 2 onion rings, but I shared one with Ina, so you guys know how that goes. I'm not too sure how hungry I am, more than likely, I don't know. Okay, and then I have some cheddar and sour cream ruffles, which just sound good with the burger right now. And then I also have some potato salad and some barbecue baked beans. Yes. Here's another close-up for you guys. So yummy. I'm excited about this meal. So that little concoction that you guys saw I made over here, it is 2-part barbecue sauce, 1 part ranch. That's gonna be for dipping the burger in, you guys, and I'm super duper excited about that. Of course, I have my trusty old Coldest Water bottle. Today it's just ice water. I wanted to share with you guys that I still have the same ice in here that I put in the bottle last night. Can you believe that? And I mean, like, it's still ice. It's not almost gone or nothing. If you guys have not gotten you going, you're sleeping. You are sleeping on this water bottle. Summer's coming up. That heat is not playing. And then today, of course, I have my good old Coca-Cola. It tried it. You saw that? It tried it. I'm just gone pouring and all excited and not even paying attention that it's about to come out the glass. Yay. Let's take a sip of that. It doesn't taste the same as Coca-Cola. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, regular Coca-Cola, but it will do. Ooh, I almost started eating without saying my prayers. Father God, I thank you and I praise you for this meal. I sanctify it through your word and prayer, and I cast out anything harmful to you in Christ Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Okay, I want to get into this potato salad. Are you guys like me and like a little bit of potato salad and a little bit of beans together? It's like they were made for each other. Like peanut butter and jelly. Like Beavis and Butthead, Ren and Stimpy. You know, it's like they were made for each other to be made, to be eaten like that. That's good. I'm gonna switch plates real quick and get into one of these burgers. How's everyone doing this Saturday? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm gonna bring this out. Are you guys at birthday parties, baby showers? Are you guys at the house? What are you guys doing? Tell me. So, I'm gonna give you guys one more good close up. That looks like a Krabby Patty. It really does. That's funny, but it does. Smash it. Yeah. Now look at that. Oh. Yes. First bite. That's good. The lettuce is cold. The burger seasoned well. I can taste the hot mama pickle. I got sauce everywhere. The hot mama pickle and the jalapeno together. Yes. There'll be the cheese, the hash brown. It's like putting French fries on your burger. It's an awesome mess. I love it. How do you guys like your burgers cooked? Well done? Medium well? Some people like a medium rare. Not me. This is a good one. This is so yummy. It has everything I want. So, I've been kind of busy today. Running errands. I've been to Walmart today. You know your girl's always at Walmart. I've been to Walmart today. I've cooked. I've cleaned. I've given baths. That's a good combination. Later today, we'll be going to Nathan and Brianna's school play. Yep. My mother-in-law's in town. Yay! I haven't gone to Walmart without JoJo in like since the last time she was here, probably. It was nice to be able to go out and run errands and not have to get the car seat and the stroller. She's here for Nathan and Brianna's play. She's going to be visiting for the week. So I'm super duper happy about that. Do all of you guys get along with your in-laws, your parent in-laws, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law? Does everybody get along with theirs? I love both of mine. Very much. And luckily, I've known them for like 20 years. My mother-in-law and I met very soon, and then I met my father-in-law later. And they're both awesome in their own ways, you know. Woo, woo, woo. Burger's falling apart. So, hopefully, sleep falls into the schedule this week while my mother-in-law's here, you know. Maybe even, I don't know, just extra, you know, when you have a babysitter. You gotta take advantage of it and do stuff that you wouldn't normally do. And it's awesome because she doesn't mind at all. Like, she kind of almost like encourages it. Like, I got them, go take your shower. Or, I got them, you know, go ahead and go to the store. You guys know how I am. I've been waiting for this meal all day. It's got to be 2:30, maybe 3-ish now. First meal of the day. So cold. I had my mother-in-law try it. And she's like, oh, is this that, you know, because she thought that it was connected to the It Works products that I sell. So she, you know, she's eventually going to get it like that. I was like, oh no, this is a totally different company, you know what I'm saying? Totally different company that I'm working for, I guess you could say. And she was like, oh, and then her brother is going to purchase one from me soon. And she's like, this is what he was talking about? And I was like, yeah. So she tried it, and her eyes did exactly what all of ours did. She's like, and that's the same eyes from last night? Yeah. Wow. So she's going to get one. She's waiting for, that totally looks like a Krabby Patty. She's waiting on her Avon package. She ordered Avon Crave lip gloss, and it's two for $10 right now, I believe. 2 lip glosses for $10. That sounds right. So she's waiting for those to come in the mail, and then she's gonna move on and get herself one of these. She's like, because she's about to go traveling, and you know, she wants cold water. Look at that jalapeno right there. Man, that's about to be the next bite. Uh-oh, you guys. Daddy just put the baby to sleep. Wait, hold on. That deserves a He walked him around the house and bounced him and everything. And JoJo's asleep. Hey. Mother's Day's coming a day early. Speaking of Mother's Day, do you guys have any plans? Are you guys celebrating? Ooh, girl. Are you guys celebrating today? I wish my mommy lived close. I miss her. But I'll call her. Such a good combo. Wow. Happy you found it. I tasted the brisket. There's brisket in here, beef brisket. You know how some people put ground beef? This is leaking. Anyways, some people put ground beef. This one has beef brisket, barbecue beef brisket. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on Walmart, because I didn't cook all this. This is what is it? The deli's potato salad. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, some deli potato salad is too sweet. Luckily, Walmart has 3 different kinds. They had potato salad, they had deviled egg potato salad, and then they also had mustard potato salad. This is mustard potato salad. Yum. And then I actually got 2 kinds of barbecue beef, barbecue baked beans, and one of them had the brisket in it. So good. And then the barbecue sauce that they used for it, I don't know. I should read the packaging, but yeah, the barbecue sauce is good. And then this big, I was about to say another word, this big old thing, this thing is huge. I got it for $1.94. That's a good buy. That's a good buy, $1.94. Oh, excuse me. I almost did a haul video for you guys. I should have did it, but I was too busy trying to eat. Sorry. Maybe I'll do it next time. It's so good. And I have the same exact thing on this video. This burger. I hope I can show it to you in layers. The buttered brioche bun, lettuce, hot pickle. Do you guys see pickle? Jalapeno, burger, cheese, bacon. You guys want to see the bacon up close? I know you do. Bacon, hash brown, it's all smashed, and another buttered bun. I broke a nail today. My heart was broken. This hand was doing so well. See it? It broke. Let me wipe it off before I show it to you. It broke. I was going to pick up the gallon of milk and clipped it. I said, gosh darn it. Couldn't take half of the nail. It took the whole nail. What gets you is that it tastes so good. Next thing you know, you ate 2 burgers. No. It's not happening. I'm gonna set this up all nice and pretty for y'all. That was awesome. So yummy. Well, I want to thank all of you guys for taking a moment to tap on your girl's video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. How do you guys like your burgers? Answer or comment down below. How do you guys like your burgers? What do you guys like to put on it when you call it loaded? When you consider your burger loaded, what do you guys like to put on it? Would you try this combo that I did? One more bite. Barbecue baked beans, potato salad, that was so good. Some cheddar and sour cream chips, ruffles. Let me know what you guys are doing today. If you guys have not yet subscribed to Nene's Eats, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, and subscribe some more. Share this video, you guys, with your friends, your family, your neighbor. The neighbor's kids. Everybody, share. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, on your community posts. Please share. I'll appreciate it. And I will see you guys later on these YouTube streets, okay? No drinking and driving. Celebrate your mom. Tell her you love her. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.